love jicama but live in a cooler climate? Don't worry, I've got great news for you. Whether you're dealing with short growing seasons or limited outdoor space, I'm going to show you exactly how to grow this amazing root vegetable as an annual crop or even right inside your home. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to start your own jicama growing adventure. Let's start with growing jicama as an annual crop. Even though jicama is technically a perennial plant native to Mexico and Central America, we can successfully grow it as an annual by following a few key steps. You'll need about 9 frost-free months, which might sound challenging, but I've got a secret for you. Starting your seeds indoors can give you that head start you need. Now, here's what your jicama plants will need to thrive. First, choose a spot with well-drained, loamy or sandy soil. Think fluffy and rich in organic matter. Your soil should feel like a wrung-out sponge, moist but never waterlogged. And sun? Your plants want lots of it. Here's an interesting tip many gardeners don't know. Jicama actually responds to day length, and shorter days trigger tuber production. Oh, and here's a pro tip. Remove those flowers when they appear. They're actually toxic, and removing them helps your plant focus all its energy on developing those delicious tubers. Now let's talk about my favorite method, growing jicama indoors. This is perfect if you're dealing with cooler temperatures or if you're short on outdoor space. Trust me, with the right setup, you can grow jicama successfully right in your living room. Here's your indoor growing checklist. Start with large pots and good quality potting mix. Drainage is key here. Before you plant, here's a little trick. Soak your seeds overnight. It's like giving them a head start. Position your pots near your sunniest window. Or if you're like me and don't have enough natural light, a grow light works perfectly. Since these plants love to climb, you'll want to add a trellis or support structure. Think of it as building them their own indoor jungle gym. Temperature is crucial for indoor growing. Never let it drop below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep your plants happy with regular feedings using a fertilizer that's high in phosphorus and potassium, but go easy on the nitrogen. Remember, we want to encourage those tubers to grow. Whether you choose to grow jicama as an annual outdoors or bring it inside, you now have all the tools you need for success. Just remember, patience is key with this wonderful root vegetable. Keep an eye on those environmental conditions. Give your plants plenty of love and attention, and before you know it, you'll be harvesting your very own homegrown jicama. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Have you tried growing jicama before? Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy growing!